Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Rose milk is a very nice milk drink which is very mild and has a very unique flavor. Let alone the taste, I am so attracted to its light pink hue that I cannot say no to any time. With all the love and affection in my heart, I am going to make a wonderful pudding with it. So without any further ado, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the rose milk pudding, first I'm going to make the corn flour slurry. To a bowl, add quarter cup of corn flour. Next, add quarter cup of boiled and cooled milk. Mix it well. Just make sure that the corn flour is completely dissolved in the milk. Next, add 2 drops of the rose food coloring and mix it well into the corn flour slurry. This will give you a nice, lovely rose pink color. Using a whisk will be better than mixing with a spoon. To a saucepan, take 500 ml of full cream milk. To this, I'm adding quarter cup of white sugar. Mix that in. Add about 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. I have made a recipe for how to make rose syrup at home. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check that out. Or you can also buy the rose syrup from the store and use that as well. Now add the corn flour mixture and using a whisk, continue to mix it well. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. So we're going to cook this mixture till it becomes nice and thick. So you can see the mixture has thickened beautifully and it's got this lovely rich pink color. Just a minute before turning off the stove, add just 1 small cube of butter. This is unsalted butter. So the butter is optional if you don't want. Pour a little bit of the mixture into a small cup or a bowl that you want to set it in. Make sure you do it as soon as the mixture thickens while it's still hot. Just gently shake it so that it's all perfectly set. You can see how thick and creamy and how silky smooth that mixture is. Leave it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Do not freeze the pudding. Never leave the pudding in the freezer. Always refrigerate it. This is just a small trick that you can use if you want to demold the pudding by placing it in a little bit of warm water. So you can see how beautifully the pudding is getting released from the sides of the cup. Now place a small plate over the cup, flip it over, and you can watch this pudding beautifully sliding out of the cup. For the finishing touches, I'm just adding a spoon of the rose syrup on top of the pudding, and you can garnish it with some chopped pistachios. You can enjoy this beautiful pudding however you like. Just make sure you serve it nice and chilled. You can see how soft and perfectly it's set. You can see that little jiggle there. So that's a great indication that the pudding has set fantastically. Now I'm going to cut it into the soft pudding. Wow, look how beautifully creamy it looks. So you can see how beautifully this pudding has set. Now I'm going to taste it and enjoy this lovely, delicious, creamy rose milk pudding. Wow, look at that. It's just divine. Oh my God. I actually can't get enough of this delicious, smooth and silky rose milk pudding. So make sure the rose milk syrup is fresh, and that's when you get the maximum flavors out of it. And make sure you serve it nice and chilled. I'm sure it's going to be a super hit in your household. Do try the recipe, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.